it's vegan, our recipe is going to be for Marsala Snack Mix. Let's start cooking. First thing we're going to do is mix together a bunch of herbs and seasonings. That's sugar, salt, some Garam Marsala, some curry powder, onion powder, turmeric, black pepper. We've got allspice, fennel, coriander, and we have black salt. I'm gonna get all of these combined. If you make this and you decide you like it, you may want to make some of this mix and just keep it on hand. That way you do not have to get all of your herbs out to make this, because it takes quite a few herbs and spices. I want to make sure we don't have any clumps of anything in here. And on to the next step. I have my burner turned on and my pot heating up with some vegan butter and some oil. We want these to melt together. Just give us a little stir to get them mixed together. To this, we're going to add half of our sugar, salt, seasoning mix. We're going to hold half back. Get this stirred together. We want these to heat up and incorporate. I'm not going to do it this time because my seeds and nuts are already toasted. But if they were not, when this gets hot and bubbly, I would cook them a little bit first. This is starting to simmer a little bit. Got that sugar in there. We don't want to let it stick to the bottom of the pan and burn. You might have to keep stirring it. Alright, I am still going to throw my seeds and my nuts in first, but I'm already going to turn my heat off. If these were raw, like I said, I would cook them longer. And I picked an oversized pot because we're going to just throw everything in here. That's our pretzels, raisins, and I just happen to have peanuts and almonds this time. Cashews are great in this. Whatever you got around. I happen to have sunflower seeds. Sometimes I use other seeds. We get all of our raisins separated. Bran cereal, corn cereal, and rice cereal. You want to be gentle when you stir this so you're not crushing your cereals. And a tip. If you are using cereal that is maybe a little bit stale, you can get away with it if after you do the whole recipe, you bake it a little bit after this step on parchment paper on a sheet pan. Then we're going to shake on some more of our mixture. Give it a stir. I'm going to remove this from the burner and let it cool. Now that this is cooled a little bit, I'm going to add the rest of my seasoning mix and stir, and then add some more. This is really a versatile recipe. You can pretty much swap out whatever dried fruit you want, whatever nuts you want, whatever seeds you want. If you don't have pretzels, it's okay. Different kinds of cereal also work. Just break up my little clump of raisins there. Add the last bit of seasoning. After I finished adding the final seasoning, I dumped it out on this cookie tray to let it cool completely. You're going to want to make sure this is 100% cool before you put it in an airtight container to store it. I think this snack mix is beautiful and delicious and versatile. I know I love it. I eat it all the time. I hope you'll give it a try and comment below how much you love it too. Thanks. Bye.